Out here in Woodson, Terrace. Yesterday's bar and grill. Got a little car show up here. We came and checked it out before we head over to Alton. American flag. It's nice. Never seen this one rolling around St. Louis.
It's got a big one. Yeah, back in the day,
Man, this was long.
it was like
Nice. Hope y'all all had a good 4th. Make sure y'all check out my firework video. It's back downtown again. Make sure y'all check that out. It's nice. Very free. Look how big this is. Oh yeah. Can never go wrong with a nice Chevelle. Nice one.
Got the American flag back there. That's neat.
Low car, no car. Pro Street. It's nice, nice, nice. I like that yellow. Stick shift. Got the nice wheels. Nice. Chevrolet. Two yellow ones. So y'all, my ice tank came today. I might make a little short opening in that. I don't know yet if I'm opening it yet, but I should. But the ice tanks are cooled off, fresh. Finally came. Shout out to Summit. Summit sent that out like less than a week. That's nice.
you offered me 1,000. That's what I want.
Check this. Get the front of the Chevrolet.
Most beautiful truck, boy. I'd love it if it was like a
Yeah, I had one of these Mustangs. I missed it. Should have kept it. I had 3 Mustangs at one time. I had this. It was on nitrous. That's nice. Details. Nice. Lincoln. Another Mustang. Yep, Rocket still down for the count, y'all. I have not even seen Rocket in a little while.
You can get better deals than that. Well, they got a 6-month.
Real. Yeah.
By the time I walked out, it was how much it was. $1,400. Did you get them all? No, they got to order them. $1,400. They were $3-something a tire.
You ain't gonna buy tires.
I'm trying to stay.
What kind of tires are
Nice cars, huh? Yeah. I missed this. That's dope. I like this car. Yep. See a Corvette over there. It's nice too. Yep, nice show. I always like to see sevens. Okay, Woodson. We out. Man, we are at the loading dock. Look how high this water is. They'll never be as high when we come out here. You can literally walk down there usually. It's crazy. That's cool. Grafton Ferry. Man, it's beautiful, man. Coming up at the loading dock. Nice little pontoon boat. Hey! Man, it must be nice. Being able to park your boat. Yeah, look at this beauty right here. Man, if this don't say made in America, nothing else to say. That's dope. Yep. Oh, wait. Yeah. 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 They say, there go taxpayers' money. Yeah. 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 Alton, Illinois. Yeah. Scream. Woo! Yeah. God bless America. Yeah. That was nice. Alton, Illinois. Gotta get us a boat. Let's get it.